Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. We'll be diving into the GAMDIASATX mid-tower gaming computer PC case. Trust me, this is the best gaming case you can find in the market right now. So, stick around to discover all the amazing features it has to offer. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of the GAMDIASATX mid-tower gaming computer PC case. This bad boy is packed with features that every gamer dreams of. With its sleek design, tempered glass side panel, and 4x120mm ARGB case fans, this case is an absolute showstopper. One of the standout features of this gaming case is its ability to sync with a 5V RGB motherboard. That means you can achieve system-wide lighting synchronization with compatible motherboards. Say goodbye to the chaos of mismatched colors and hello to a gaming rig that radiates style and coherence. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The GAMDIASATX mid-tower is all about showcasing the inner beauty of your gaming PC. Its full-sized tempered glass cover not only looks stunning but also offers tool-free installation for easy access. Your hardware deserves to be seen, and this case lets it shine. Speaking of hardware, this gaming chassis comes equipped with 4 built-in 120mm ARGB fans. These fans are prominently displayed through the mesh front panel and tempered glass side panel. They not only keep your components cool but also add a mesmerizing visual element to your setup. You know how crucial airflow is for a gaming PC. Well, the Aura GC1 has you covered with its airflow-focused mesh front panel. It not only enhances the aesthetics but also ensures excellent airflow intake. Your components will stay cool even during those intense gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about expandability. This case offers great flexibility for your gaming rig. It comes with options for 2x3.5 or 1x2.5 plus 1x3.5 and 2x2.5 HDD tray. Plus, it's equipped with USB 3.0 x1, USB 2.0 x2, HD Audio x1, and LED Control x1. Whether you have an ATX, Micro ATX, or Mini ITX motherboard, this case has you covered with its 7 PCIe slots. Before we move on, a quick note about compatibility. This product is designed for use in the US, so please check for compatibility and voltage requirements if you're outside the United States. You might need an adapter or converter for international use. Now, let's talk about the price. You can get your hands on this gaming case for just $59.99. And hey, there's even a $10 coupon available to sweeten the deal. Keep in mind that prices may vary from different sellers, so be sure to check for the best offer. To wrap it up, the GAMDIASATX mid-tower gaming computer PC case is a fantastic choice for gamers looking to level up their PC setup. With its stunning design, RGB compatibility, excellent airflow, and expandability, it's truly the best gaming case on the market right now. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming!